What's up, guys? Today we got a video that's a little bit different. We're not going to be doing wheelies or talking about e-bikes. Today we're going to be talking about AI sport glasses. What are AI sport glasses? Well, I honestly have no idea, but we're going to find out together because BleeqUp sent me this pair of AI sport glasses to do a review on, and I said sure because I'm not sure what those are. And everything is AI now, so might as well hop on the AI train before it passes you by. Before the robots are in, I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, BleeqUp AI sport glasses. We are at an RV park that we are not welcome at, but we're way in the corner, so no one has yelled at me. Also, no one is outside of their RV so far. Okay, nice little thing here. Just put all my trash in my pocket for now. BleeqUp, BleeqUp. Guys, we're BleeqUp. We are bleaked up today. Ooh. AI. There's a little rim in there to protect both sides of the glasses. What on earth could AI glasses possibly... Here comes a truck. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, they do have a camera on them and speakers. Oh, we got two trucks coming. On the side it says... Okay, we have on this side it says intercom button, and on this side it says touchpad and capture button. Okay, these guys are definitely going to kick me out. Oh, maybe not, maybe not. Keep driving, keep driving. Oh, now here comes a golf cart. Now we are seriously kicked out. Keep driving, keep driving. So far, so good. AI glasses on. Okay, first off, I mean, I don't hear anything. They're not on yet, but they are polarized, and I mean, the lenses alone are pretty sweet. How do we turn these bad boys on? Yeah, I've never seen lenses like this. Everything's like more clear. Are these polarized lenses? They'll probably tell me. When using glasses for the first time, you need to connect to the magnetic charge cable to charge interface for the glasses 5 to 10 minutes. You compare and use glasses. We're doing this all wrong. Luckily, I did bring my battery bank. Open up this nice pyramid packaging. Okay, this little dealie for, I guess, putting your own prescription underneath them. Go on, get it. I mean, I'm gonna leave. If a freaking RV starts backing up, I'ma leave. I should have been more prepared. Ooh, cool little cable. Custom cable. Okay, where do we charge them at? Right here? Oh! How do I know if they're charging? Is there some sort of indication that they're charging? Okay, that felt like a good click. Okay, so I'm not noticing any light or any kind of indicator. Oh no, I am in the inside here. Ooh, there's a little switch there. Huh, there is a little switch on the nose of the brim. We're gonna figure out what all this means. We're just gonna set these here for a second, and we're gonna learn all we need to know about BleeqUp. Okay, I downloaded the Bleeq app from the App Store and did an easy sign-up process. Now it's asking me for a nickname. Rocky, obviously. Gender, male, female, not displayed. I'm gonna go not displayed, because it's none of your business. Button, press. Until a blue light starts flashing. I'm assuming that is that light in the middle. 5 seconds. Okay, oh, I heard it say pairing too. Okay, now on the app, blue light is flashing. Searching for a device. Found it immediately. I'm going to get kicked out of here very soon. I feel it. I look very weird. I have a knife and a skateboard and no RV anywhere near me. Ooh, nice little chime when you put them on your head. Okay, take photo, press once. Oh, okay, this button right here. So press that once. You literally hear like a Polaroid noise, and then let's make a video. Bleeq. It sounds like this. Bleeq. Video. Look at my environment. Look at my environment. Okay, RV. No RV. Skateboard. That's my RV. Okay. Press and hold again to stop. Oh, we got a lady on an e-bike. Inbound. Next. Play music. Tap once. This is the right touchpad. Oh, this is all helpful information. Play pause music. Tap once. Tap twice for next song. Tap 3 times for previous song. Volume up is swipe forward, just like on, man, the noises are cool in these. Answer call, tap twice. Decline call, tap and hold. I don't really decline calls, I just let them ring. Clean the camera lens regularly. Avoid blocking the camera with hat brims. Whoa. Are we gonna do one of these moves? Do I still look cool if I'm a backwards hat dude? Do I look 12? 12 the age, not 12 police, but I guess I kind of might look like that too. Data overlay. Use the app's cycling tracking to record speed, route, and basic data? What? I can throw a speedometer on here? Sports intercom, wind noise reduction, clear sound, smooth group chat in sports. Let me read that again. Wind noise reduction, clear sound, smooth group chat in sports. Well done, guide complete. Start exploring. I have controller, go bind. Start exploring, or I have controller, go bind. Go bind. I have controller, go bind. Do I have controller? Start exploring, start cycling. Okay, we're gonna say that we're cycling. Let's pack up. Let's pack up all our trash. Pack up our old non-AI glasses, our dumb glasses. Dumb glasses secured. Guys, do I look cool? You can be honest, I need your opinion. All right, we're gonna activate our off-road skateboard. All right. Little burnout. Hey, come back, you're bored. All right, you guys are seeing this AI video the same time I am. We are leaving this RV park and no one yelled at us. Ooh, hit a little jump. Look at, why is nobody outside? I mean, you're at an RV park. Are you just chilling in your RV and watching TV all day like I am? But in a parking lot for free? All right, here comes a jump. Here comes a big old jump. What do you guys think about my off-road board? It's actually much nicer on-road than the other one. We're gonna exit this RV park and then we are going to, ooh, I wonder, okay, that's some wind noise. That's some wind noise for you. Let's hear the wind reduction on the AI glasses. Dude, bumps are nothing with this board. I mean, bumps like that. Whoa, we got some spikes over here. Do not back up. If you back up, if you leave the RV park and you're like, oh wait, hold on, no, back up. You know what you get? Ooh, there's a sign that says skateboards prohibited. Bruh. Oh wow, the GPS is nice. We've got 3 miles to go on our skateboard. We have tons of battery. Oh, it says I'm going 15 miles per hour. Wow, that's accurate. Guys, look at this sun today, man. I just got these brand new solar panels and the frickin' sun don't want to come up. It was up this morning and I charged my Suron and then that was it. That was all my juice. Hello, sir. Yes, I saw the no skateboarding signs and I said, I don't care. I'm not bothering you. Why no skateboarding? That makes no sense. If you're gonna say no skateboarding, why not no rollerblading as well? Skateboarding on a path. Okay, we're gonna stop at this spot up here. And we're gonna look at our info. We're gonna watch the video, see what the glasses video looks like. We can respond in real time. Woo! What up, dudes? Do I look cool? All right, let me see what we got so far. Let's end our trip. Generating records. Average speed was 26.6 kilometers per hour. And we went 3.6 kilometers. I'm sure I can change all that. Album. Join Wi-Fi. Wow, I honestly can't believe it can make videos for this long. Wow. I can't believe how good it sounds. And it looks good too. Wow. Okay, what I'm really interested in though is how much battery I have left, because we only charged it up to 90. 73% battery. Wow. Okay. That's impressive. Wow, that's actually pretty sweet. Because I have more expensive AI glasses that are more mainstream, and they cannot do that. That is impressive. That is sweet. Let's get them going again. Wow. Okay, you know, sometimes companies send me stuff and I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll review it. But this is actually very sick. The thing is, I gotta see what I look like in them. But the lenses are amazing. The lenses, it's kind of hard to describe, but they're refreshing on my eyes. Like, I can see just fine, but I don't know, they don't feel like sunglasses. I feel like the sun is not hurting my eyes as much, but they're not inhibiting my vision like sunglasses do. Does that make sense? I was up there yesterday. Shorts was a bad idea. Surfing, dude. We're surfing, dude. These are 4-in-1 AI sports camera glasses, all-in-one integration of AI action cam, open ear audio, sports goggles, wind, dust, UV protection, and walkie-talkie, true hands-free experience, effortless and unrestricted movement. All right, guys, that's my review on the AI sports glasses by Bleeq. These are actually pretty impressive. They are a good alternative to a GoPro if you don't want to mess with, you know, the camera and all the attachments and all that stuff. It's really nice to just throw them on your face and just go about your athletic day. Go do whatever extreme stuff you do. They also have EIS stabilization, so all your videos look really smooth and crisp. It also shoots in 16:9, whereas the other glasses, the other AI glasses that aren't really athletic, they're more like casual glasses, they shoot in a square. And it's kind of hard to post on social media a square because there's no square apps anymore. There was a really cool one that they got rid of in 2016. I'm trying to shoot a video here. But I have those other glasses and I barely ever use them and the battery's already toast on them. I can't make a video very long whatsoever. And I'm a little disappointed with those because those were the same price as these. These are $3.99. I do have a promo code in the description below for $20 off. But there is one thing I want to test before I end this video. As you can see, there is a light blinking right there, letting you know that I am recording you. The other glasses do this too, and I think it's a little weird because our phones don't do this, and we're on security cameras at all times. Security cameras we're on don't do this. I don't know if that's there for legal reasons or what, but on the other glasses, the other AI glasses, if you try to cover it up, it somehow knows that it's covered up, and it tells you to remove it tells you on your phone to remove the obstruction so others know that you're recording. I want to try putting a piece of electrical tape over this light and see if it still functions just fine. It doesn't look pretty. Okay, yeah, it's recording. You can't tell. Dude, these are great spy glasses as well. So yeah, I would recommend these. They are great. You know, already it's nice to have sport glasses just to get stuff out of your eyes and you don't even know they're there, and the quality is very HD. So check them out in the description below. Huge thank you to Bleeq for sending these to me. I will probably use these in my day-to-day life. Most likely I will drive with them or put them under my helmet just in case I have a problem with my GoPro or something like that. But they would be great for pranks. Also, just, you know, awkward situations that are potentially viral. Just a quick little click. And there you go, 40 million views. So thanks again. Let me know what you guys think. Check them out in the link down below. And I will see you in the next video. Get after it. Peace.